Hello, welcome to this video on SpyX, one of the most complete parental control apps available for both iOS and Android devices. SpyX ensures in-depth and synchronized updates on what occurs on your monitored phones. From messages, calls, social media, up to live GPS location of it. Check out the video description below to visit the official website spyx.com and test a demo to discover all of its features. To start connecting and monitoring a device, you must set up an account on SpyX and have a subscription plan active. Then, head to Dashboard and select whether you're setting up an iPhone or an Android device. Then choose one of the packages you have available from the left side. You can connect a phone by downloading an application or using your Google account. In this video, we will see how to do it with the first option. The procedures are explained step by step so that you can follow them in the targeted phone easily. First of all, disable Play Protect by going into Google Play, then to the account settings, and then Play Protect. Next, choose the brand of the device and scan the QR code shown to download the application that will monitor the device, called Update Service. Continue following the on-screen instructions to install the main application on the phone, allowing access to its location at all times, giving the necessary permissions. Once done, type the registration code into your mobile device to finally enable the monitoring. Follow the final suggestions to make SpyX hidden from the user. At this point, you can open the dashboard and select the connected device under the Android list in this case. This shows a summary of all the notifications and new changes occurred from the phone remotely. Make sure to use the sync button above to get updated instantly. SpyX also collects loads of features you can monitor and control on the mobile device remotely on the left side. You can check call logs to see incoming, outgoing, or missed calls, including time and contact details. Take a look at the photo and video gallery to see all media files captured or stored on the phone, or control the list of all Wi-Fi networks the phone has connected to. You can also access the contact list and view all the applications currently installed on the device. SpyX also takes prompt screenshots of the Gmail accounts for a better control on communication and incoming emails. SpyX also gives you real-time information on the mobile location with automatic updates sent every 20 minutes and an interactive map to check and zoom in. Besides GPS location, SpyX can also make a geofence in order to build a digital area allowing or restricting accesses and getting notified every time it gets crossed. Just place the point in the map, for example your home or any place to avoid, and adjust its radius around. It can also check a wide range of platforms, including WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, Tinder, Microsoft Teams, WeChat, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. You can also record live the device screen, microphone, or take a quick screenshot and either allow or block the launch of specific applications you choose or disable access to Wi-Fi. SpyX gives parents a clear, real-time view of monitored kids' phones. Make sure to check our video description to learn more about SpyX right now.